Yes guys, today we're doing the gin and tonic, a very classic cocktail, very popular across most bars, especially in London. So we're using Bombay Sapphire today, London dry gin, one of my favourites for the gin and tonic. We're going with 60ml, so double shot, 2 ounces. And then I want to go with just a small squirt of lime juice, a few drops. I prefer it with the lime, especially as it goes better with my choice of gin. If you're using a different gin, maybe a more floral gin, you can miss it out or go with some cucumber. And then you just want to top it up with tonic. I'm going to go with about 4 shots, so 120ml, so you've got a 2:4 ratio. And then you want to garnish it with a lime wheel. Very simple. And there's the gin and tonic. It's one of my favourite gin and tonics, using the Bombay Sapphire and the lime. I feel like it just balances well. Hope you enjoyed. See you later. Peace.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If you do want to recreate this recipe, please tag me on Instagram @chef_Hampshire and I'll upload some of them onto my story. If you enjoyed the video, press the like button below, subscribe and hit the bell. Peace.